Shein affiliate program tutorial. I'm going to tell you step by step how to join the Shein affiliate program and start earning commissions. First, go to the Shein affiliate program page. You can find it by searching Shein affiliate program on Google. Click the official link, then hit join now. Next, you'll need to sign up with your email, password, and basic details. They'll also ask for your website, blog, or social media account where you'll promote Shein products. Make sure you enter the one you plan to use the most. After creating your account, log in to the affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find links, banners, and promo codes you can share. Every time someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a percentage of the scale. Finally, track your clicks and commissions inside the dashboard. Payments are usually sent through PayPal or bank transfer, depending on your region.